Hey there fitness enthusiasts, can you believe summer is almost coming to an end? Today we're diving into fun and effective ways to burn calories through outdoor chores and everyday activities. Let's get moving. Raking the lawn. As leaves fall, raking the lawn becomes a fantastic way to stay active. You'll burn around 120 calories in 30 minutes while toning your arms and shoulders. It's a great cardio session that also keeps your yard looking great. Gardening. Digging, planting, and weeding can burn up to 135 calories. Gardening is a full body workout. It helps build your muscles and improves flexibility. Plus, growing your own veggies supports a healthy diet. Mowing the lawn. Push your mower for 30 minutes to burn about 135 calories. It's an effective way to get some moderate exercise while enjoying fresh air and sunshine. Operating a snowblower. Winter workouts are real. Clearing snow with a blower burns 135 calories. It's a great way to stay active during colder months and keep your driveway clear. Carrying and stacking wood. Moving and stacking woods burns 142 calories and builds strength. Plus, you'll be ready for those cozy fireside evenings. Chopping wood. Splitting logs can burn a whopping 180 calories. It's a full body workout that also serves as a fantastic stress reliever. Shoveling snow. Shoveling snow burns around 180 calories. It's a great cardio and strength workout, especially if you lift with your legs and engage with your core. Now moving on to everyday activities, you don't need a gym to burn calories. Your daily routine is full of opportunities. Let's break it down. Sleeping. Believe it or not, you burn about 19 calories per half hour while catching those Z's. Your body is always working, even at rest. Reading. Get lost in a good book and burn 34 calories. It's a gentle way to keep your mind active. Standing in line. Just standing burns 28 calories. Next time you're waiting, remember, you're still burning energy. Cooking. Whip up healthy meals and burn 57 calories in the process. It's a delicious way to stay active and support your fitness goals. Grocery shopping. Pushing a cart around the grocery store burns 85 calories. It's a practical way to incorporate physical activity into your routine. Cleaning the car. Give your car some TLC and burn 135 calories. It's a workout and a shiny car. Moving household furniture. Rearrange your living room and burn 170 calories. It's like strength training, but with a fresh room layout as a bonus. Burning calories is more than just shedding pounds. It's about converting energy to boost our well-being. Here's why it's fantastic. Exercising increases calorie burn, helping you keep a healthy weight and a lean physique. It helps maintain body weight. Another reason is that it promotes a happy heart by reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Are you down or feeling stressed? Exercise releases endorphins, those happy hormones that lift your mood. So there you have it. Outdoor chores and everyday activities can be your ticket to burning calories and staying fit. Embrace these tasks with a fitness mindset, knowing you're working out while getting things done. Stay active, maintain a healthy lifestyle, and enjoy the benefits of a well-rounded fitness routine. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on staying fit and healthy. I'm Sergio Hernandez with PlaygroundEquipment.com, and we'll see you next time.